there is love. We are the Lebanese survivors. Together with love and unity, we can rise up again.
Like the phoenix rise from the ashes, we will rise from under the rubble, because we are survivors.
Dear Lebanese friends, love and greetings from Finland. Your love and care for each other are stronger than anything that separates you.
Beirut, the city of creativity and history. Stay alive. حمي من تحت الردمة. Your citizens are survivors.
From the heart of Lebanon, from Beirut city, they try to kill us, to destroy us, but we tell them we are Phoenicians. We live because we are survivors.
Business, choosing the name Le Passager Beirut came almost naturally. Beirut, the heart of the country. We are survivors. We are survivors in the capital of love and hope, and together we will rise again.